Hi, don't forget to check out my course for the quant section of the CAT exam where I've explained all concepts, tips and tricks, shortcuts, and past year questions in great detail. Alright guys, let's look at the next question from CAT 2018 slot 2. Please try this and then you can resume to look at the solution. Alright, there are two drums each containing a mixture of paints A and B. So drum 1 and drum 2 are the two drums we have. Okay, in drum 1, A and B are in the ratio 18:7. The mixtures from drum 1 and drum 2 are mixed in the ratio 3:4. And in the final mixture, A and B are in the ratio 13:7. In drum 2, then A and B were in what ratio? That is supposed to find out. All right, so we are supposed to find out this ratio. Now, what we are going to do here is we are going to assume the fraction of A in drum 2. Okay, the fraction of A in drum 2 is x out of 1, where x is definitely going to be some fraction here. I'm assuming the fraction of A in drum 2 as x upon 1. Okay, and you can find here, guys, in drum 1, the fraction of the paint A out of total is 18 upon 18 plus 7, 25. We require the final fraction of A as 13 upon 20. Right now, we are going to use the concept of weighted average. The fraction of A in the first drum is 18/25. You're taking 3 units of that. So basically 18 upon 25 multiplied by 3 plus in the second drum, the fraction is X and you're taking 4 units. Okay, is equal to total 7, 3 plus 4, 7 multiplied by the final fraction required 13 upon 20. Now this you can further simplify. Multiply here above and below with 4 and multiply here above and below with 5. So you're going to get 4 into 18, 72 into 3, 216 divided by 100 plus 4x is equal to 13 sevens are 91 into 5, 455 divided by 100. This will give you 4x is equal to 239 divided by 100 followed by x as, or the value of x as 239 divided by 4 into 100 is 400. If the fraction of paint A out of total is 239 out of 400, the ratio of A is to B in the second drum is 239 is to 400 minus 239 is 161. That's your answer, option B. All right, guys, the same question can be solved with another approach using deviations. Now, we have solved many questions using the method of deviations. So let's use it here again. The average is 13 upon 20, multiplying above and below with 5. Okay, it will become 65 upon 100 and multiplying above and below here with 4. This will become 72 upon 100. Now, this group has an excess. Okay, 72 minus 65 is 7 by 100 excess, and there are 3 such people, right? So complete excess is 7 by 100 into 3. Now, to get the average as 65 upon 100, this group or the second drum should have a fraction which will have a deficit of 7 into 3 upon 100, right? So this group has a deficit of 70 into 3 upon 100, and there are 4 such basically people, right? So you can say everybody contributes a deficit of 1 by 4 of minus 7 into 3 upon 100. So the average value of the drum 2 is 65 minus 7 into 3 upon 400. That basically becomes 260 upon 400 minus 21 upon 400. That will be 239 divided by 400. Okay, again giving you same answer. 239 is to 161 for the fraction of A is to B.